Getting off the island is a phrase that I didn't invent but popularized early in the Drupal 8 development cycle. The idea being that PHP projects in general, and Drupal in particular, needed to get out of their silos. There are plenty of things that Drupal can learn from Symfony, Symfony can learn from PHP, PHP can learn from Laravel, Laravel can learn from Zend, Zend can learn from Drupal, both in terms of technique and in just straight sharing code. And doing that allows everyone to be better developers, build stronger products, stronger projects with less effort and more collaboration. And that's been a huge success, I'd say, for Drupal and most other projects as well. At this point, for example, virtually every significant project is built with Composer, which means it has access to the tens of thousands of libraries available through Composer to just pull in and use. There's even a Composer variant of Drupal that you can use to install Drupal using Composer and then have access to every Drupal module, but also every Composer package. And you just pull it in just like you would any other Composer package and start using it. There's even a Composer variant of WordPress that does the same thing, which exposes those users to all of that available, tested, community-supported code that then reduces work effort for everybody. That's above and beyond the benefits to the Drupal codebase itself and the Drupal community itself in terms of reworking the codebase to be more consistent with PHP conventions and the styles used by other projects, which make it more robust, more powerful, more internally consistent, and therefore easier to learn. If you already know Symfony or Zend or Laravel, picking up Drupal 8 becomes a lot easier than in older versions because it's less idiomatic. There's still stuff to learn, but it's a much softer on-ramp to anyone who knows PHP already than it was in previous versions. Drupal has one of their most robust communities in PHP. I'm biased, but I'll go ahead and say that. And that's something that we're able to then share with other projects and show, okay, here's our community building tools. By using Symfony, by using Guzzle, by using various other projects, like any collaborative project then is able to say, okay, here's improvements that we can commit back upstream. Here's feedback we would have. Here's collaboration with those projects that benefits those projects upstream and therefore makes Drupal better, as well as everyone else using those projects. I think in many ways also the success of Drupal 8 demonstrates just how important and how valuable the PHP Renaissance has been. It kind of validates the changes in the PHP ecosystem in the past several years by saying even these big old projects can modernize, can become good, clean, object-oriented systems, can collaborate. You can teach an old project new tricks. And Drupal 8 is proof that, yes, PHP is still alive, it's still vibrant, it's still open to change, it's able to change, and it's not slowing down. It's going to continue to be a robust, powerful ecosystem for a long time to come.